The MODICIA NVIDIA GPU RT kernel is a graphical utility based on shell scripts and Zenity, designed to simplify video card management on MODICIA O.S. The tool automates the detection and configuration of proprietary drivers, eliminating the need to use the terminal. Features overview: auto detection instantly identifies the GPU model and the compatible driver through nvidia-detect. Safe installation manages the download and configuration of packages via Nala, ensuring superior system cleanliness. Multilingual interface, automatic localization into 12 languages, including Japanese, based on system settings. Integrity check verifies the author's license, Mark-OM, Mariani, and the execution environment through cryptographically controlled files. Technical advantages: reduces the risk of the typical black screen seen in manual installations, ensuring that the driver version is perfectly aligned with the kernel in use, including real-time kernels. If you find MODICIA OS guides useful, let us know with a like on the video and on our social channels.